Exercise 5.2 second question. Determine whether the given set of points in each case are collinear or not. 7, minus 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. So in this question, 3 points are given. We should check the given points are collinear or not. If the points are collinear, the sum of the distance of 2 points is equal to the distance of the third point. That is, if the points are collinear, we should prove AB plus BC is equal to AC. Okay, then it is equal if the points are collinear. If it is not equal, the points are not collinear. So first we find the distance of AB. The points we take it as A of 7, minus 2 and B of 5, 1 and C of 3, 4. Okay. So first we find the distance of AB. What is the distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So AB, first A we write it as 7, minus 2 x1 y1 and B 5, 1 x2 y2. Okay. So AB is equal to square root of x2, so 5 minus 1, x1 7 the whole square plus y2 1 minus of minus 2, it is plus 2 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 5 minus 7 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 2 3 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 2 squared 4, 3 square 9. So that is equal to square root of 13. Then next we take BC. So B take it as 5, 1 x1 y1 and C of 3, 4 you take it as x2 y2. So now we find the distance of BC, that is equal to square root of x2. So 3 minus 5 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 3 minus 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 3 square. So 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9. So square root of 13. Next we find AC. So A of 7, minus 2 you take it as x1 y1 and C of 3, 4 you take it as x2 y2. So next you find AC, that is equal to square root of 3 minus 7 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 3 minus 7 minus 4 the whole square plus 4 plus 2 6 square, that is equal to square root of 4 square 16 plus 6 square 36, that is equal to square root of 52. So square root of 52 you split into two factors, that is one number should be a greatest perfect square, then it will be easy. See here, 52 write it as 1 into 52, otherwise 2 into 26, otherwise 4 into 13. In this factors, this will be a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. So we take the factors for this. 52 is equal to 4 into 13. Then we can write easily. So square root of 4 into 13, that is equal to square root of 4 into square root of 13, that is equal to 2 into square root of 13. Now listen, AB plus BC is equal to AC, isn't it? So what is AB? AB is equal to square root of 13. BC also square root of 13. AC is 2 into square root of 13. So root 13 plus root 13, 2 root 13. We add only the coefficients, okay, in algebra. Like algebra, we add only coefficients, no, like 1 root 13 plus 1 root 13 is equal to 2 root 13, that is equal to 2 root 13. Just you simply write root 52 means you can't get the answer. Okay, so you split into two numbers, that in that numbers one number should be a greatest perfect square, then only you will get the equal answers. So hence proved, that is the given points are collinear. Therefore the given points are collinear.